today I learned something new while I was helping out one of my students. Excel has a tool called Flash Fill, which picks up a pattern that you have established from a column that is next to it. Here I have downloaded my attendance file from my Teams meeting. And the way this attendance sheet is set up, it makes it a little difficult at times to put attendance in quickly. So I figured out a way today while helping the student to actually break this into separate columns so that I could sort it differently. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to my B cell and I'm going to right click and I'm going to insert a new column. And I'm going to type Amelia and then I'm going to enter. Now I'm going to go over to data and I'm going to find Flash Fill and watch the magic. Okay, if you'll look, it picked up the pattern Amelia from this column over here, and it put all the first names in this column. Now I'm going to come here and I'm going to insert another column, and I'm going to type the last name and enter. Now I'm going to go to Flash Fill and boom. Now if I wanted to, I could come in here and hide this, and of course I could name this first name if it bothers you, last name, and of course I could always have it sort. Go to the Home tab, sort, custom sort. I am going to check my data has a header, and I am going to get it to sort by last name, cell values, A to Z, yes. And we're going to say OK.